So the next question I have for you is about black fungus, because again there are reports of this occurring in various hospitals in different parts of the country. I remember during the first wave as well, we reported on this. So if you could tell us what is causing black fungus in some COVID survivors.
So we know that COVID itself is not something which causes fungal infection. But what happens is, because of COVID, two things happen. Your immunity comes down. You're more prone to what we call secondary bacterial and fungal infection, what is also known as an opportunistic infection. And some of the drugs that we give, and sometimes we give them in a dose which is not justified, also sort of predisposes to these fungal infections. So if you're getting very high dose steroids for a long time, or you're getting drugs like tocilizumab, which really knocks out your immune system, then your immunity is low. And if you have underlying, let's say, diabetes or certain other conditions which further decrease your immune system, you are very, very prone to getting a secondary infection, which could be a fungal infection. There are fungal infections and in the form of mucormycosis, which is what we are seeing now, what we is in the nose and in the sinuses or in the lungs, which is causing sort of people to deteriorate in the later part of the illness and really land up again in hospital. So the message here is that avoid giving drugs which are not essential early in the disease, and be careful about the dosing. You don't have to high doses actually to fungal infection.
Right, Doctor. So just to talk more about this, people with diabetes are the ones who are more prone to developing this black fungus. Also, what are the signs? How can the family or the patient watch out for whether they're developing this before it's too late? Because then we're seeing very extreme cases as well.
So if you have what we call rhinocerebral mucormycosis, which is a fungal infection of the sinuses, headache, sometimes you can have even loss of vision. I remember the last Saturday I had gone to our hospital in Jhajjar, and I'd gone in and I saw a patient there who actually had COVID, and he had lost vision in one of his eyes because of the fact that the fungal infection in the sinuses had gone up to his orbit, the eyeball, and caused a loss of vision in the eye. So that can happen. So you may have headache, you may have blocked nose, and sometimes you can have your fever coming back and patches on the X-ray which look classically like a fungal infection. So you must really be on the lookout, and if fever comes back, if you have certain symptoms which are atypical, get yourself evaluated by your doctor to rule out fungal infection, because then this needs to be treated aggressively, especially early rather than late.
All right. Well,